Open the Hatch Sleep app and select your Restore 2. Once on your device's homepage, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings page. From here, select your Restore 2 once more. The second option down will be Clock and Display. Tap here to open your Restore 2 clock settings. You'll see there are 3 options: Always Off, Off at Night, and Always On. Let's explore what each of those means. In your clock and display settings, select Always On. Next, adjust your daytime and nighttime brightness. Now your clock display brightness will change based on the ambient light sensor on your Restore 2. To have your clock off at night, select Off at Night in the settings. Next, you can schedule when your clock display turns off and on by selecting the time. Be sure to select AM or PM. Now your clock will automatically turn on and off when scheduled. You have the option to tap and see the time for Always Off or Off at Night. When this feature is toggled on, you can knock the shell of your Restore 2 to show the time. If you have any questions, please reach out to the Hatch customer support team. We're here to help.